Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do an eyebrow tutorial for you guys because I do have thin eyebrows, and I thought I just wanted to show you guys how I fill in my thin eyebrows. This is how I do it my way, and I'm not using concealer, I'm using foundation instead. So if you want to keep on watching, please do, because educate yourself, girl. But as always guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you. I hope it helped you guys who do have thin eyebrows like me on how to fill them in. But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.